In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design beautiful, professional documents in Microsoft Word. Before we get started, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions. We'll focus on 5 core ideas and the built-in tools that make them easy to apply. First is minimalism. Start by giving your content room to breathe. In Word, generous margins and spacing make any page feel modern and calm. Use a clean sans serif font like Calibri or Arial for body text. Keep headings a bit larger and bolder, and stick to a limited color palette. Ideally one accent color you'll use for headings, lines, or key callouts. Less color means more focus. If you're unsure, a simple blue accent on mostly black or dark gray text always looks professional. Next is visual hierarchy. Your reader should know what matters at a glance. Apply heading styles from the Home tab instead of manually changing size and color. Headings 1, 2, and 3 create a predictable ladder that improves navigation and consistency. You can modify a style once, and Word will update every matching heading, saving huge time and preventing subtle formatting drift. Branding and color come together with themes. On the Design tab, pick a theme that aligns with your brand or project, then choose a color set and a complementary font set. Themes keep colors, fonts, and effects coordinated across headings, body text, tables, and shapes. If you maintain multiple documents, a consistent theme is the fastest way to look polished and on brand without micromanaging each element. For a strong first impression, build a creative cover page. You can insert a ready-made cover page from the Insert tab, or construct your own with shapes, an image, and a text box. Keep it simple. One striking image, a bold title using your heading 1 style, and your accent color as a line or shape. Use alignment guides to line everything up, and leave plenty of white space so the title stands out. Finally, improve readability with columns for newsletters or articles. Go to Layout, choose 2 or 3 columns, and use more columns to adjust widths and spacing. Shorter line lengths are easier to read, especially for dense content. If needed, insert a column break to control where text flows, and keep headings aligned to the left so scanning stays effortless. Combine these practices, minimalism, hierarchy, branding with themes, a clean cover page, and well-set columns, and Word becomes a powerful design tool that helps you produce beautiful, consistent documents every time. If this tutorial helped you, give the video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Don't forget to subscribe for more productivity tips and Notion tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.